Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a coin collection system for your platformer. Should be pretty easy and fun. Okay, so what you want to do first is, you want to get your coin. You want to add the tag coin to it, and then also you want to add a script to it. You want to open that script up in Visual Studio, and you want to make a public game object called player. Again, whatever you want. And a private player controller, or whatever your player movement script is called. I'm going to call it PC. And then void start, we're just going to make PC equal to player, the get component, player controller. And this gets the player controller component from the player. And the reason we do this is because there's a variable in player called coins. And because if you put it into the coin script, it gets reset to 0 every time a new coin is made. But in player, since the player is always active, it stays to what the value is. So if it went to 1, it would stay 1. And that's why we do that. So then, oops. So we're gonna go into void on collision. On collision, enter 2D. You're gonna destroy the coin. Destroy this game object, and then you're going to player controller dot coins plus 1, and then to make sure it's working, you're going to debug dot log player controller dot coins. So now if we hit back into Unity, you can check if this all works. So we drag the player into our coin script, and let's just duplicate this. And now if we press play, we should be able to go 1, 2, perfect. But we don't really want the debug.log thing down here. You don't really want that because obviously when you play the game, the player playing it will be able to see the console. So what we do is we're going to make a text. So in player controller, you're going to make a public text, and you can just call it text, doesn't matter. And then in void update, just go text.text equals coins dot toString. Oops. Make sure you invoke it as well. So now that you have that, let's go create text. So we just go to UI, text, and press F to hover over it. And we're just going to bring it up to the middle of the screen. I'm going to zero that out. Make the text font size really big. I'm going to make it bold just because that's my personal preference. You're going to overflow on both horizontal and vertical. And we're going to change the color to black just because it's more noticeable. And I guess while we're at it, change the camera to white as well, just so you can kind of see everything. Okay, so now we're just going to align it to the top. Check in our game view if you can see it, perfect. And then go to our player, and then drag in the text. And now it should go to 0 first. And then click the coin, goes to 1, 2. There you go. So now you can add a coin here. Oops, that's not how that works. You can add a coin at the top of the screen to show where the coin would be, or you can add an image to your canvas. But now, if you just duplicate these coins a bunch of times, you can now put coins everywhere in your levels, your games, and you can use them as currency, or in Mario you can make it so you power up when you get a 1-up when you get 100 of them, something like that. But yeah, if you like this tutorial, make sure you like the video, subscribe for more content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.